Myself Niranjan Swai and I am from Odisha. I had done my BTech in Electrical Engineering from Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats, Bhubaneswar in 2021. Friends, Evision is the best platform to get a tech job. The internship program of Evision is well structured and organized to develop any skill effectively. Friends, eVision provide us many assignments and practice set, which was helped me a lot to gaining my computing skill, to increasing my computing skill. And eVision also provide many mock interviews. By taking those mock interviews, I will gaining confidence day by day to crack the real interview. And I had enrolled on the on I had enrolled on September in the OJT program, and now I got selected in Gabriel India Limited with the salary package of 3 LPA. Then coming to the placements, eVision has a huge placement support. They support us until you get a job. Then I strongly recommended you to, if you wanted high paying tech job, then I strongly recommended you to join the eVision program. And also those persons have many years gap between their education, they have also joined the eVision internship program, and then they have also get a high paying tech job. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join Job.